So what is the chapter name? Our Earth and our solar system. What we are going, this is the first chapter of your EVS 1 subject. Okay. So what we are going to learn in this chapter, we are going to learn some interesting facts about our planet Earth and our solar system. Okay. Okay. So everybody knows the planet in which we live. What is that planet called? What is the name of the planet in which we live? ये तो आपको पता ही होगा, right? Everybody knows the planet in which we live. What is the name? Yes, very good. Earth. So we know Earth is a planet that we. Wait, I'll zoom. Okay. We know Earth is a planet that we live on, and solar system is the entire system of all planet, that is including the Earth and other planets. Okay. So we know that we live the planet in which we live. That planet is known as name is Earth. Okay. And besides the planet Earth, in this solar system, in this whole solar system, there are other planets also which are there, which revolve around the sun, which moves around the sun. Okay. So not only Earth, there are other planets also who move around the sun. Sometimes children, you must be feeling that when you are riding with your family in a car, जब भी आप पिकनिक पे जाते हो या कहाँ बाहर जाते हो, with your family or friends, when you are in the car, if you see outside, you must be feeling that sun is moving, right? Sometimes ऐसे लगता है ना, सन मूव हो रहा है, हम लोग जहाँ जहाँ मूव हो रहे हैं, सन भी वहां वहां मूव हो रहा है. सो सन इज मूविंग विथ अस, वी फील लाइक दैट. बट दिस इज नॉट द थिंग. The earth moves, the planet earth moves around the sun, but sun is in his place only. Sun doesn't move from one place to another. Sun is moving at that place only. What is moving around the sun? Our planet earth is moving around the sun. See, you know that we feel that sun moves from one side to another, but actually it is the earth that moves around the sun. The sun is not moving around us. The sun is not taking the rounds around the earth. Who is taking the rounds around the sun? Our planet earth is moving around the sun. Okay, like this in the picture as it is shown, the planet earth is moving around the sun, and sun is standing in its place. Is sun moving in the picture? Can you see the sun is moving? No, no. Sun is standing in its place only. But what is moving? Our planet Earth is moving from one direction to another direction. Okay. Similarly, as planet Earth moves, Earth makes a round of Sun. Similarly, there are other planets also which move around the entire system, which move around the Sun. This system is known as solar system. What is solar system? Like planet Earth, there are many other planets which move around the entire system. This system is known as solar system. Okay. Okay. So during the night when the sky is clear, what you can see? Tell me what you can see in the night, in the sky. रात में sky में क्या दिखता है? If the sky is very clear, no clouds are there, then what you can see? Yes, very good. We can see stars. Manasvi, Aditi, yes, stars and moon. Okay. In a clear night sky, we can see many stars. The white thing which are twinkling in the sky during night, what are they? What are they called? They are called stars. Okay. They are very far away from Earth. Stars are very far away from Earth. Like this in picture, you can see all these white things which are twinkling in the sky. They are known as stars. They are very far away from us, from the planet Earth. If the sky is cloudy, we cannot see the stars, especially in the city because there are so many city lights. You don't see the stars clearly. Now, when you're living in the city, when you're living in the cities, what happened? They are in cities, they are in during night, there are many city lights which are on. Road lights are on, building lights are on, right? Wherever you go to the restaurant, their lights are on. So because of so much lights, we cannot see the stars light. Okay, we cannot see the stars properly. And if someday, suppose in rainy season generally the skies are covered with the clouds, dark clouds. So can you see stars during rainy season? When you can see the stars at the night, when the sky is not clear, right? When there are clouds, when there are clouds in rainy season, the sky is covered with dark clouds, right? So that is the time we cannot see the stars in the sky. But if you go out in a field or you go out in an open space, अगर आप बाहर जाओगे, बाहर ओपन ग्राउंड में जाओगे, ऐसी जगह पे जाओगे जहाँ पे बहुत सारा स्पेस है, there are no buildings, nothing, no infrastructure is there, the space is very open, ground is, if it is a ground, then whether there are lights or no, you will be able to see the stars clearly. Okay. If you go out in the field or you go out on an open space, whether there is no light at all, if there is no light at all, अगर वहाँ पे light भी नहीं है, एकदम no street lights are there, no building lights are there, then also you can see, you are able to see the stars clearly. Okay. So what is called a solar system? What is the meaning of solar system? There are many, like planet Earth, there are many other planets which move around this entire system. ऐसे planet Earth के अलावा और भी कई planets हैं, और भी कुछ चीजें हैं solar system में which move from one place to another. All this system is known as solar system. Starry sky. What is starry sky? Starry skies are the skies filled with stars. Filled with stars. Okay. Starry skies are very far away from the planet Earth. They look very small and tiny. स्टार्स कैसे दिखते हैं हम लोग को? अगर हम लोग नीचे से फ्रॉम प्लैनेट अर्थ, इफ वी सी stars from the sky, how stars appear? They appear very small in size, right? Like a dot, like a small dot. If you see, they appear like a small dot. Some stars are prominent. What is the meaning of prominent? Obvious, means we can see clearly. Some stars are prominent, means we can see them clearly. Okay, means obviously we can see them clearly. Okay. Yes. Okay. So it's obvious that some stars we can see clearly. We don't need any light or we don't need anything else to see them properly. Okay. Some stars may look very tiny. You may not see it clearly, and some will be very clearly we can see. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. So stars are, what are they? They are the heavenly bodies that twinkle at the night. Stars have their own light. Stars have their own light. With their own light, they twinkle. They don't need any other's light. They have their own light to twinkle at the night. The sun. The sun is also known as a star. Sun is also known as the star. During the daytime, we cannot see the stars. During the day, can you see the stars twinkling in the sky? दिन में नहीं दिखते ना stars? दिखते हैं? नहीं. Samiksha, what is the meaning of earthquake? Okay. So during the day, the stars cannot be seen, and stars have their own light. Stars have their own light. Stars are also known as a heavenly body that twinkle in the night in the sky. Sun is also known as a star. Sun को भी star बोला जाता है. ठीक है? Sun is a big star. Okay, we will learn about 1-2 planets. Rest of it we will do in another lecture. Now, planets. Wait. So, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Okay, जो जो ट्विंकल नहीं करते वो हेवनली बॉडीज को क्या बोलते हैं हम? They are called as planets. They don't twinkle. Planets don't twinkle. Planets do not have their light to twinkle. Okay. See, planets do not have light of their own. As stars have their light to twinkle, planets do not have light to twinkle. Their own, they don't have their own light. They get light from the star. From where do the planets get light? They get light from the star to shine. Okay. Planets revolve. Planets revolve means, what is the meaning of revolve? What is the meaning of the word revolve? Revolve means to move from one place to another, to move round and round. Okay, to move, to go around the sun. Revolve means to go around the sun or to move from one place to another. Around the star. Planets revolve around the sun, around the star. Even as they rotate means वो अपनी जगह पे rotate होते होते they will move around the sun. As you can see in this picture, see the planet Earth is rotating itself on its place as well as it's moving around the sun. Okay, so what do planets do? The planets move in जो जगह पे planets खड़े हैं वो वही जगह पे rotate होते रहते हैं as well as they revolve around the sun. They move around the sun as well. Okay, they do two things together. Planets do two things together. They rotate on their places. They keep on rotating themselves on the places as well as they revolve around the sun as well as they move around the sun. Okay. Even as they rotate, meaning it goes around its own axis, means they spin on the जो जगह पे खड़े the place where planets are standing, they will spin themselves on the place, in that place. Okay, they will keep on spinning, spin होते रहेंगे अपनी जगह पे as well as they will move around the sun. वो चक्कर लगाते रहेंगे सन का भी और अपनी जगह पे मूव होते रहेंगे, स्पिन होते रहेंगे. ठीक है. ओके. Now, what does rotate means? It goes around its own axis. Own axis means, in simple words, if I tell you, in their own place, they will rotate themselves, or rotate themselves means they will spin on the top around themselves. Okay. अपनी जगह पे rotate होते रहेंगे and as well as they will revolve around the sun. Means revolve means to go around the sun. Abhi samjho, if I will give you example of this, how can I give example? If suppose you are standing in between, okay, अभी समझो आप बीच में खड़े हुए हो, आप समझो आप sun हो, you are standing in between, okay. One of your friend is uh, taking rounds of you. One of your friend is taking round of you, suppose. Now imagine that friend is planet Earth, and the one who you are standing in between is the sun. Okay. So that friend is continuously revolving around you, as well as where he's standing, where your friend is standing, he's spinning in that place also. He's spinning in that place also, as well as he's revolving around you also. Okay. This is the example I can give to make you understand better. Or now, what happened? Which is the ninth planet? Okay. Let's check Arnav, which is the ninth planet. Okay, understood, students? If you have listened properly what I have told, suppose you are standing in between your sun. अभी आप बीच में अगर खड़े रहोगे, आप समझो आप सन हो, अभी एक फ्रेंड आपको चक्कर लगा रहा है, आपके आसपास चक्कर लगा रहा है. So imagine that friend is the planet Earth. Okay. Now that friend is spinning. जहाँ पे वो फ्रेंड खड़ा हुआ है, वो फ्रेंड खुद वो जगह पे खुद भी स्पिन हो रहा है और आपके भी चक्कर लगा रहा है. So this is the same thing what planet Earth does. It spins around its place also, as well as it takes round of the sun also. Everybody is understanding? सबको समझ में आ रहा है ना? Manasvi, okay, you understood? Tanisha didn't understood. So these two words are important for you to understand what is the meaning of revolve and what is the meaning of rotate. Okay. Revolve means planet revolve means it goes around the sun. It moves around the sun. Revolve means it moves around the sun. ऐसे गोल गोल चक्कर खाता है planet Earth sun के आसपास. See, sun is standing in this picture, you can see. Wait. Yes. In this picture, you can see sun is standing in between. Now imagine this is you. Okay. Imagine this is you and this planet Earth is one of your friend. कोई भी friend को ले लो, कोई भी best friend को ले लो. Okay. Now you are standing in between. You are standing in between. Now what one of this friend will do? He will spin. He will rotate in his place also. He will rotate in his place also, as well as he will revolve around you also, as the planet Earth will do. Okay. It will go and go and जैसे blue circles जैसे circle बना रही है ना, वैसे वैसे वो revolve होते रहेगा. It will move around the sun like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay. So what do planet Earth does? It moves around the sun as well as it spins at its place also. Now everybody understood? Including Manasvi means include करना कुछ. Excluding मतलब निकालना, including मतलब add करना. Okay, including means to add something and excluding means to remove something. Okay. Okay. See, besides Earth, how many planets are there? Somebody was asking, na, ma'am, how many planets are there? Besides Earth, there are 7 other planets that revolve around the sun. Besides Earth, there are other 7 planets which revolve around the sun. Now, what are the names of the planets which revolve around the sun? Let's see. Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, what are the names of the planets which revolve around the sun other than Earth? They are Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay. Now in textbook, they have not mentioned about planet Pluto. Planet Pluto is now considered as a dwarf planet. Okay. पहले Pluto था, right? First Pluto was there. First Pluto was also known as a planet, but now it is been named as a dwarf planet. Okay, so Pluto now is not a planet; it's a dwarf planet. Uh, it is not counted in this 9 planets. Okay. So about orbit and rest of the things about satellite and asteroids, we'll learn in next lecture. Today we'll do till here only. Okay. Anybody has any doubt, not understood anything? आरव, नेपट्यून का स्पेलिंग क्या है बेटा? नेपट्यून का स्पेलिंग रॉन्ग लिखा है, क्या होता है नेपट्यून का स्पेलिंग? तनिष्का,